Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Home Depot how to apply. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. You can apply for a job at Home Depot at online or in store. So the option 1 is to apply online. So what you need to do is head over and open up your web browser, and then on the search bar type in Home Depot Careers, and then once it loads, tap on the first link, that is the Home Depot Careers. And once you're inside there, what you need to do now is tap on the 3 horizontal bar on the top right corner of the screen. Then once you are here, tap on sign up for job alerts. Here you need to create an account and register to apply. Then fill in your personal details, work history, and answer job related questions. If selected, you will receive a call or email for an interview. And then option 2 is to apply in store. Use the store locator to find the nearest location, ask for an application, or inquire about available positions. Some stores have a kiosk where you can apply directly. After applying, check in with the store manager about your application status. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.